How to allow or deny device admin apps access on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. So you will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here, so click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, click on special access. So after click on special access, scroll down and click on, you will see second option is device admin apps. So after click on device admin apps, so you will see, so if you want to allow, so turn active. So click on active, you will see your device admin apps is allowed. So if you want to deny, so turn off this button and click on disactive. So after click on disactive, you will see your apps is denied. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can allow or deny device admin apps access on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.